Okay, what we're looking at is a city main connection there. That is the city saddle, which is right ahead. So we're going to video inspect from that point on back, okay? We're literally about 90, well, I should say 86 feet from there, from that point to where we entered. Come on back. So we can, as you can see right there in this connection, the 6-inch pipe is cracked and it's offset. Come on back. And here we are entering into the 6-inch pipe, which is cast iron. Actually, I'm sorry, 4-inch. There's a lot of buildup on the pipe from age. The bottom of the pipe is rotted out. We call that cast iron rot. And in some cases, in some spaces, I should say, or sections, there is no pipe. We're literally washing away the dirt. Wherever you see water just puddling up, that's the sections, like right here. This section does not have any pipe below it. And throughout the entire length of the pipe, we have the same situation with the pipe. It's just badly deteriorated. We washed it out, but as you can see, this needs more than that. Because of these areas that are have a lot of buildup, all the toilet paper seems to get stuck on there, and those are the reason for the backups.